Julia Della Rosa. I'm Vice President of Strategic Alliances. I manage our technology partner ecosystem. And ICF is a global advisory services company along with a digital services provider.
Hi, my name is Steve Ziegler. I'm a Vice President of Information Technology at ICF. I currently lead our engineering practice area and our public sector group. I've been at ICF since 2008, and ICF as a company, the way I like to describe it is we make the world a better place. We've been working with the federal government for 50 years in areas like climate change, energy, social programs. So it's really the types of projects that improve everything that our citizens do and enjoy.
ICF became an AWS partner back in 2012. So we've been in the partnership for quite some time. We decided to join because we were doing more technology work in our mission-related work. So all of our domain experts were starting to see and use technology as the backbone to a lot of the programs that we were running on behalf of public sector clients. So ICF has gotten a lot of value out of the public sector program that AWS offers for partners. Everything from accelerating the speed of solutioning to enablement and training, both for our technical as well as our non-technical staff. We've got a lot of individuals that are not technologists, and we've been taking advantage of some of the training that AWS has to offer.
I think the benefit that our ICF developers and solution architects appreciate most about our partnership with AWS is access to the experts. So we have direct phone lines to our partner POC, to our solution architect, and they obviously know all the experts. And so anytime we're working on a new service, we have one call to our solution architect POC, and the next day we're talking to the expert in that service.
So ICF is doing work in the federal civilian market, the federal health market. We do a little in DoD as well. But an example of the work that ICF is doing with AWS is, think of a project that is using social workers and trying to get to social workers and disseminate information to social workers nationally. There's a database of information, and we're providing the technology behind it to actually make it easier for social workers to find that information, to access that information more quickly so they can do their jobs better.
I think one of the projects at ICF that we work with AWS closely on that really stands out is some of our work in the social programs, especially around the government agencies that deal with children and families. So we build solutions to help our government clients use AWS services to collect the data to see how states and tribes are doing, analyze that information, find the things that are working and put more money into that, and also share them with other parts of the community.
One positive impact that ICF Solutions coupled with AWS services has is about the end constituent or citizen. All of our work is about enabling outcomes that better their lives, better our communities, and improve a more prosperous and resilient world for all. Every single project ICF works on has that outcome in mind as the main mission objective.